Okay, let's talk blush placement. It really does make a difference on how your face looks in regards to thinning and lifting, as opposed to maybe pulling in and making your face look fuller and rounder. So let's do two different applications here. One is gonna be on the ball of the cheek. So inside ball of the cheek, I'm gonna do a little blend. Okay, next, I'm gonna do the same two colors, but this time I'm gonna apply the blush up high on my cheekbone. You can see I'm mixing two colors today. I'm blending very little, blending upwards. Okay, you can see how putting it up higher lifts and thins your face, and more on the apple can make us look fuller and a little more drawn in.